Yo, what's good? It's your boy Uncle Mo's coming with the episode here when I cook Gango and Sadza. Yes, sir, let's go. Alright, first and foremost, what I did is fry the bruvos and the beef. Make sure it's brown like this. Yes, sir, that's what we like. Alright, then we get to the sweet cabbage and the onions. Put that into the mixture of beef and sausage and bruvos. That's what we do. Then we add a little bit of tinned tomatoes. Add some seasoning on top of that. Then after that, I added some of the stock that I used from before, the beef stock. Put that in there, left that to stir. And now, let's work on the sadza. Alright, add 2 cups of sadza. Then you add some cold water in it. Make sure you add cold water, guys, before you add the hot water. Then after that, you make one into a paste like this. Then you add the hot water. After you add hot water, you want to keep stirring and stirring as it gets to this stage until it's quatering. As shown as we call it, quater. Then you come back to your stew. As you should see, it's bubbling, looking nice and thick, juicy, soft, tender. That's what we like. Alright, let's go back to our sadza now. So you want the sadza to boil until it gets to this stage. Then you add more sadza in there. Then we have to pound it. Not like that, until it gets to this stage. Alright. Then you serve the sadza. You put it in cling film. Once it's on cling film, you wrap it up, ready to serve. It should look like this when it's done. Nice. Then look at the stew. You go fire, guys. I'm Zimbabwean. If those are not Zimbabwean, I'm sorry if you don't understand. But my one. Yeah. Saga. Here it is. Sadza and Gango with some beef and bruvos. Haha. Andy.